Guys, I don't think I've had anxiety over messing up a project this bad in my entire life. It was crazy. um, anyways, so the patches are all cooled off, and this is how it came out. All the edges are down. It turned out really well. There's no scorching or peeling, or the yarn did absolutely great. It's it's 100% acrylic. The yarn is. That's the one. And then here's the other end. This end's still a little warm, just a little bit. But as far as I can tell, all the edges are down, and it turned out just fine. But I can tell you what, I have never in my life had so much anxiety over potentially destroying a scarf or a project. I think that's because this particular project, I feel like it took me a really long time. So, yeah. I'm sure there's probably better tutorials on how to do this, because this was my first time doing it. I just had to let y'all know, like, the level of anxiety while doing this was insane. Absolutely insane. I thought for sure I was going to just end up destroying this after I've spent such a long time working on it. So yeah, apparently it is possible to use iron-on patches with acrylic without, it turning into a disaster or scorching the yarn or anything like that. So I'm super happy, and I'm probably going to show this scarf off in another video. Okay, guys. So as you can see, I have finished my Halloween scarf. And I thought I would do a real quick tutorial on how to add an iron-on scarf or an iron-on patch to any acrylic item that you're working on. So we're gonna give this a go, and hopefully it works out. If it doesn't, well, then I guess I will be putting this video up as a blooper reel, because I've been working on this scarf for a whole minute. I've already got my my iron heated up, so I guess let's go for broke. I'm a little bit nervous. Just a little bit. I'm sorry, I'm playing with the iron over here. So I've got my iron set at, it looks like 258, so probably about 250, somewhere right in there. I'm just using this little mini Steam Fast. It's just a little tiny mini iron. I have no clue what temperature acrylic melts at. Maybe I'll test it. Seems to be okay. It's not, I don't think it's going to melt. Doesn't look like it. Okay, so I'm just going to iron this edge down, because this is Tunisian. And Tunisian crochet has a tendency to curl up. That's why I did fringe on this one, which, you know, I'm not a big fan of doing fringe, but so I'm just gonna, seems to be doing okay. Okay, so now that that's like good and flat, move that out of the way. Let's see. So, if y'all have been watching my videos, you know I picked up these little Skello kitty things. I thought they were super cute, and I'm gonna put one on each end of the scarf. So yeah, I thought they were super cute, and hopefully this doesn't destroy this scarf, because I really like it. I really like how it's turning out. So that's what it looks like on there. I'm going to put him about 3 stitches up, or 3 rows up, and I'm going to just center him the best way I can. I'm going to go ahead and turn the temperature up just a little bit. This says 320. Now the instructions on the patch say that I should be using a temperature of about 400 degrees Fahrenheit, but I'm going to stick with 320 because I really don't. I'm going to be so upset if this scorches this scarf, y'all. Let's see. So I'm going to take this little washcloth. I guess I have to put a washcloth. The instructions say that I have to put a washcloth over the top of it. And so I'm going to go ahead and do that. So I hope it's going to stay. I don't want it to like move around after I put the washcloth on it. It's just an old washcloth that I had lying around. Okay. So I guess we're just gonna go ahead and man, I hope this works. I've never done this with any of my pieces. I've never used iron-on patches. So I don't really know how this is going to turn out. It doesn't look like it's scorching anything underneath there that I can tell. Like I said, the instructions said to go over it several times. Let's check on it. He is not even remotely attached. He's a little warm, but he's not even remotely attached. He's not even sticky. Alright. I guess maybe I need more heat. The instructions, like I said to put it on 400. So maybe that's why he's kind of... What is going on with his little ear? That's not cool. Okay. I'm going to turn this up to... I think the highest this goes is 192. So if that's not enough, I don't know why it wouldn't be enough. So I'm going to let the iron heat up to 192, and we're just going to go for it, and hopefully this doesn't turn into a disaster. And I will meet back up with you guys here in a moment. Alright, I'm back. I think I've got it heated up. I'm looking at these instructions. They're just kind of like generic instructions that came with the patches. I got these off of Amazon. I will link where I got the patches down below. Alright, so let's give this a go again. I didn't realize I was going to have to iron the other side as well. So it says to put the iron on the patch for 30 seconds. So let's give this a go. It said to make small circular like a small circular motion, but I'm kind of afraid to do that. I don't want it to move underneath that cloth. It's real warm. I know that's been over 30 seconds. It has to have been. I don't know. What do you guys think? I'm talking to y'all like y'all can respond through the camera. Okay. Oh, it worked. It worked, okay. I need to do this bottom half a little better. But it looks like the ears are down, and looks like the rest of it is down, but his little feet are still a little bit. Yeah, so I'll do his feet real quick. This feels like it's right there, so I'll do his feet real quick. I can't sew, that's why I chose the iron-on patches, guys. I can't use a sewing machine. I'm not great at hand sewing. So yeah. Let's see. There it is. That looks nice. I'm gonna iron over his little ears just a little bit, because I feel like the ears would be the first thing to start coming unglued. Surprisingly, the acrylic yarn is not scorching. I really thought it was going to scorch. So there he is. Now, the instructions say that I need to iron the back side as well. I don't know if I'm supposed to wait till he's... It doesn't say that I have to wait till he's completely cooled off. So I guess I will... Let's flip him over. Throw this over the top just because. Well, I mean, for the most part, I think this guy has turned out pretty well. I'm sure you guys will see the full scarf in a Whip Wednesday video. I've got one coming up here shortly. So I am going to let you guys go. In fact, y'all might even see this after my Whip Wednesday. I'm not sure when this video is coming out. But anyways, I will catch you guys in my next video. I just wanted to show you guys how I did this because I was extremely anxious about ruining this scarf. The scarf must have took me 2 weeks, which, you know, it's a scarf. That's a long time to be working on a scarf. I was really anxious that the yarn was going to scorch. Ow. So, yeah. And see, this side turned out fine as well. Very nice. Let's see. Uh-oh. Okay, so he is stuck down on there, but I'm going to have to... It said just to redo step number 6, which apparently is... Yeah, see, I feel like I'm going to have to go over this a couple of times to get him to stick. If not, I might have to come up with another way to make sure this guy is fully attached. This side looks to be. So, yeah, I'm gonna let you guys go, and I'll see you in my next video. But that is how I'm attaching an iron-on patch to a scarf. I'm gonna work on this side, and hopefully I can get it down. Otherwise, I might have to find maybe some glue or something. I don't know. But anyways, thanks so much for watching. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video.